uchaguzi ambaye umemalizika juzi. Thank you very much. Between them. I want to confirm kiongozi wetu Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, makofi. Plane from Mount Kenya East that of Parliament then for Igembe South, Mheshimiwa for Igembe Central, Mheshimiwa Kubai.
DG Titus Ntochu, our Secretary General.
Most of the Kenyans are frustrated by the high cost of living. They are anxious to go back to work and they are waiting for you. They know that President William Ruto will be a decisive and a practical, no-nonsense leader who will build a new consensus for this country and move quickly to solve our people's pressing problems. We in the bus want to be part of that journey. That is why we have decided to join the Kenya Kwanza Alliance henceforth. We have consulted with our MCAs, and both the bus MCAs and the Kenya Kwanza MCAs, and we have agreed to work together and cooperate in the election of leaderships of our county assemblies and also in the performance of their legislative and oversight functions in our counties.
The provincial administration will be a professional organization that will not serve any political party, but will serve the people of Kenya. The offices of the DCI and EACC will not be available for the use by any political party. They will serve to make sure the resources of the people of Kenya are used for the intended purposes in a transparent manner, and no Kenyan will be hounded by our criminal justice system because of what they believe in, the political party they belong to. We are going to professionalize those organizations so that they work for the people of Kenya and they do not work for any political party.